Hey daisies, welcome back to my channel. So I'm straightening up my family room. I'm getting it back in order from the holidays. I've wanted to add a few new things in here, change some things up, but right now let's just get it together so that I can start with a clean slate. I did order some more pillow covers to cover these off-white inserts. So the cool thing is that the inserts actually match my sofa, but they do need covers on them. And I was debating if I wanted to keep it off-white, the color of the sofa, or order like some more taupe and black mixed pillow covers. Hey Alexa, play Snooze by SZA.
Alright, Snooze by SZA from Apple Music.
So I'm also going to change out this planner. I think this one is just a little bit too low to the floor. I want something with more height, probably double this size, just to be a bit larger in the space and to make my plant go closer to the ceiling so that it's taller in my room.
Why you always jump to?
I'm getting rid of these word plaques. It's time to let those go, and I'm going to be painting an accent wall.
You so scared of real love, 'cause you've been abandoned with any mistake. They quick to run, and so you run. Jump the gun, but know that you got it. Even at your lowest, you got it. You know that you got it. Baby, take the moment, you got it. It's yours, it's yours, it's yours. My love, just rest assured. I'm yours, I'm yours. Tell me what you're running for, 'cause you don't have to try so hard. Baby, come let down your
Hey y'all, what's up? I am at Bath & Body Works getting ready to go inside of here. I want to use my app, my Bath & Body Works rewards app, to get my free body care product, and it's one that you can get for like $16.95. These people next to me have their music up so loud. But anyway, yeah, I'm about to go in Bath & Body Works so that I can get my free item before it expires. I don't know if you guys have the app. I actually forget that I have the app until Yesterday my homegirl mentioned it to me, and then today my mom mentioned it to me because she stays on Bath and Body Works. I'm like, okay, let's go. So she actually just went in. I told her I was coming because I had to do an intro. I had to talk to y'all right quick. But yeah, what's been going on today? Nothing special is going on today. I uploaded a video. Your girl is trying to be consistent, so I got the video out. I posted on my Like to Know It and my IG stories. Productive social media day. And when we get ready to leave here, I'm gonna grab something to eat, and then Jalen and I are going to the movies to see Missing. That's that new movie with Nia Long and I don't know who the girl is. Yeah, I don't know who her daughter's being played by, but my daughter really wanted to see it, and I'm like, it's Nia Long, so of course I want to see it. And I think she has a sitcom coming out. Is it a sitcom? No, it's a movie called You People with Eddie Murphy and Lauren London, but I think that comes out next weekend. Yeah, and then we gotta watch BMF, okay? Because I missed BMF yesterday, and I cannot not miss my BMF. So, yeah, I don't know how we're gonna do all that tonight. So we're gonna go to the movies for sure because I already bought the tickets. But I don't know if we're gonna watch BMF until tomorrow. I hope they have a large, it's this purple whiskey scent that I really, really like. So hopefully they have it, and then that's what I'm gonna use my free item on. If not, I'm just gonna give it to my mom. Oh, this is pretty. I don't know if it smells good though. That is my mama. What do you find? Pure Wonder.
Yeah, 60.
I love the color scheme. Color scheme is popping. The color scheme, oh my gosh, this color is so pretty. Oh wow. Alright, let's smell it. Let's see what it smells like. Not the best scent, but it's pretty. And this green is pretty, and the gray, but let's see what it smells like. Alright y'all, let's smell garden lime, garden basil and lime. This one smells good. I like this one. This shit is getting on my hand. Okay, so this is good for like your man, your babe. Has a more masculine scent to me. Headed to the movies to see Missing. Are you happy to go see the movies with your mom? Yeah. She's been my little date all weekend. Oh, we forgot about house party. Jeez, we're late, guys. Y'all know movies don't start on time. Some movies, probably original movie don't start till probably like 8 o'clock. Hi, we're back! Really quickly. So the movie was really good. Don't you think so? Okay, y'all. So the movie was really good. I'm not gonna give too much away. I would recommend that you go see it. It was not predictable at all. Like the plot twist was just it was crazy.
It was like 3 plot twists.
Yeah, it was quite a few. So you will not be able to guess and figure this one out at all, even when you think you have.
It was unpredictable.
Yeah. So yeah, I think
had us like
movie.
Ooh.
Suspense and like curiosity. At one point I'm up in there sitting like this, like trying to pay attention to like context clues like and stuff.
And it was realistic because they had TikTok and people talking like on social media how they do nowadays.
Yeah. So overall, go see Missing. If you haven't, of course, typically knee-alone movies are always good to me anyway, which is part of the reason why I was like, okay. So, yeah. Put my seatbelt on, head to the house, because your girl is tired. So I'm probably not going to talk to y'all again until tomorrow. So I'm going to wear this two-piece tracksuit that I got off of Amazon. It is just like the red one. I think I told you guys I wanted to get like a nude color one. And this is actually, I thought it was going to be more off-white like the color of my settee, but instead it's like a pretty peachy nude, which is fine with me because I absolutely love peach. So it has a like a light peach nude vibe. Oh, it's kind of going cute. I want to get some tennis shoes to kind of have like these colors in it, but anyway, very earth tone, very cute, and it's going to be very comfortable.
Tell me that you don't want to leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care.
I'm almost dressed, getting ready to go to the Mexican restaurant. Y'all, Mexican food is my favorite. I can eat it every single day of the week. Literally every day of the week. I still have to line my lips and put my lip gloss on because my lips are giving not done. And this camera is watching me out so bad. But anyway, love this outfit. Absolutely love it. It is my favorite. So I've ordered like 4 colors. I have it in this color, black, red, and well, I'm waiting on the black one to come. Red and rust brown, because it's just I love it. It's casual. On my vision board I had stylish comfort as one of my, like, you know, apparel looks. My lips is really bothering me. I know Vaseline. Anyway.
Can't fake it. When I'm with you, my next Can you hear it? I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with your touch and make me wanna say, damn. And yeah, you know what's up. Ain't nothing I won't do. I won't do for you. So give me all you got right now. I know I'm yours, baby.
This was an alcohol infused cupcake, vanilla rum. Hopefully y'all can hear me. It was vanilla rum. It's really good. This one, a lot of people said the other ones, the other flavors, which were strawberry daiquiri, are stronger, but I am feeling this one.
So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning?
I don't have my tripod, so I'm on the floor. Mexican restaurant was really good. A bit pricey though, but Mexican food was really good. I had the sangria. The sangarita was bomb. Anyway, I'm tired. I'm about to get ready to go upstairs and relax. I think Jayla want to watch this movie on Netflix called You People with Eddie Murphy and Nia Long, and Lauren London is in it as well. So I think we're gonna relax and watch that tonight, and that's pretty much it. So I'm probably gonna holler at you guys in the morning. I wanted to run some more errands, but I think I'm in for the night. That little sangria margarita was hitting. And infused, I had the vanilla rum infused cupcake, which was, you know, everybody else said it was strong. I mean, it was good, but it wasn't strong to me. Or maybe your girl just has a high tolerance, which I really don't think I have a high tolerance, to be honest. But anyway, everything was good. Everything was dope. I'd be so tired, y'all. I just wish I could hang. I cannot hang like I used to hang. I'd be done. I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like, I don't even think it's late.